Hello and welcome to Lausanne. Today we're excited to show you a truly exceptional high-end apartment. It's located on the fourth floor of a well-maintained building with an elevator. And above all, it offers an incredible panoramic view of Lake Geneva and the Alps. The apartment has been fully renovated. It boasts 142 square meters of bright, elegant living space, with a beautiful open-plan kitchen, a spacious living room, and a loggia where you can fully enjoy the stunning view. There are two large bedrooms, a comfortable office, two bathrooms, one with a bathtub and one with a shower, plus a guest toilet. You'll also find plenty of smartly designed storage throughout. The building includes a concierge service, a cellar, and the option to take over a lease for a parking space. You're in a peaceful neighborhood, yet still close to public transport, shops, and schools. And don't forget, there's even a private park for residents. This apartment is perfect for your family. Call us to arrange a viewing and discover this beautiful apartment.